All right, those, I am back. So this is what your aloe should look like when you're done taking all the gel. See, this is it. Listen, all the gel is out, and I'm gonna put in my hair in a few. But look at it. Look at it. This is the best. This is the best. Now, if you want to, I'm going to strain it so I can use it in my hair. I don't have a actual. I used to have an actual blender to blend stuff for my hair, but that blender broke. So I'm going to strain it to use it in a deep conditioner that I'm going to use for my hair, because that I don't want those thick pieces on my hair. Now, if you want, you can use this as an aloe vera gel. This is exactly what they use. They use that, and they add preservative to keep it fresh. This cannot stay in the fridge for a long time. It's going to get watery. Okay, all the jelly is gonna be gone. So if you're using it for the face, there's another way you can use this on the face. You know how you have your ice cube, your tray. You can pour when you're done straining it. You can pour it on the ice cube tray. You can pour it in each little space and freeze it. Now, when you need to use it for your face, you can pop it up and take it and use it on your face. It's always gonna stay fresh. This is an extra bonus to this video. Not only can you use it on your hair and drink it, but you can use it in an ice cube tray, like those little thing. You pour the water, you put it in the freezer to make ice. You can strain this aloe vera gel and you pour it in there, okay? And then you freeze it. Now, when you need to use it for your face, you just pop it up like it's an ice for your juice or your water, but you're going to take it and use it on your face. You didn't know that. But this is an excellent way of using it. And remember, like I said, this cannot stay for a long time because it's fresh. It's going to get watery. Trust me, I know, because I've used it before. Okay? All right, stay tuned. So not only this is my hands. Not only I know how to make my own aloe vera gel, but I also know how to make my own aloe vera oil. One day I will show you guys. Until then.